welcome to my Abacus English tutorial. This is a review episode of all techniques of multiplication on the abacus. 2 or more digits multiply by 1 digit. Please watch this episode till the end and I'm sure that you want to be continue. In this episode, I'm going to explain all the basic rules and all 7 techniques which I taught you till now. After this episode, we are starting to multiply 3 digits or more than that, multiply by 2 digits. And that will be little tricky, but if you learn these 7 techniques, it will be easy to understand. And one more thing, if you don't know how to do addition and subtraction on the abacus, you cannot do multiplication. So please watch and learn my addition and subtraction techniques episodes. Also, please go to my channel and check my playlist. So no more talking, let's start to the techniques. Technique number 1. 97 multiply by 5. In the multiplication, you have to count all the digits of the question. In the abacus, you have to multiply from the biggest position. 5 multiply 9, 5 multiply 7. After counted rod 3 position here, you have to put your left side pointer finger here, and in this rod you have to place 10th position's answer. Means 5 9s are 45, so you have to place 4 here and 5 here, because 4 is in 10th position and 5 is in first position. So this rod will be 10th position. After place 1 answer, you have to change your rod right side, and this will going to be a new 10th position, and 5 7s are 35, and 3 goes to this rod and 5 goes to this rod. After place your answer, you have to change your finger and you came this marked rod, means you finished your multiplication, and now you have your answer on the abacus. These are the basic rules of abacus. So let's start with technique number 1. We have 3 digits, 1 2 3 digits, starting from here. 5 9s are 45, 45, change your position. 5 7s are 35, 3 and 5, change your position. We came here and our answer is 485. Next, technique number 2. 12 multiply by 4, 1 2 3 digits, 1 2 3 digits start from here. 4 1 is 4. You have only 1 digit in your answer, means you have to put 0 in front of it. 0 4, 0 goes to this rod and 4 goes to this rod, because in this rod you have to place 10th position answer, but we don't have 10th position. We have only 1 digits in our answer, means that 1 digit must go in this rod. You place your answer 1 time and next change your rod. 4 2s are 8, 0 8, 0 goes to this rod, 8 goes to this rod, change your position, and we finished because we came this marked rod, and your answer is 4848. Technique number 3. 42 multiply by 4, 3 digits, 1 2 3, 3 digits, starting from here. 4 4s are 16, 1 and 6. So this is technique number 1. We don't have any problem to place this answer. So change your position. 4 2s are 8. So this is technique number 2. We have to put 0 in front of it, 0 in this rod and 8 in this rod. Change your position. We came here, finished. 5 6 8 is your answer. Next, technique number 4. 18 multiply by 8. 1 2 3 3 digits, 1 2 3 3 digits, start from here. 8 1 is 8. This is technique number 2. 0 8 0 8, change your position. 8 8 are 64, 6 in this rod, 4 in this rod. So look here, we have only 1 value left. We have to add 6 in this rod, but we don't have sufficient bit here. So to add 6 here, reduce 5, borrow this 10. This is 3-step addition and subtraction. Please watch that episode. This is the most tricky episode, or this is the most tricky technique of the addition and subtraction on the abacus. So you place 6 here and next 4 in this rod and change your position, and your answer is 144. Next, 55 multiply by 6. 1, 2, 3. Starting from here, 6 5s are 3 and 0. If you have 0 in your answer, you don't need to move any bits. So we place 3 and 0 is nothing to move. So change your finger. 6 5s are again 30. So 3 and 0. Change your position. We came here means it's finished, and our answer is 3 3 0. Technique number 6. 689 multiply by 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 digits. We are starting from this rod. 4 6 are 24 here, and change your position. 4 8s are 32. So 3 in this rod, 2 in this rod. So we have only 5 in this rod. 2 place 3 by borrowing 5 means borrow 5, reduce 2. This is how to do addition and subtraction by borrowing 5. Please watch that episode for the detailed information. We added 3 here and 2 this rod. Change your position. 9 4s are 36. So again 3 here, 6 here. So we don't have 3. So we have only 2 and 5 outside. So borrow 5, reduce 2 for the 3 and 6 here. Change your position. We came here, is finished, and your answer is 2 7 5 6. And last, our technique is this one. If you have 0 in your question, how to deal with this? So 4 digits starting from this. 3 1 is 3. So this is technique number 2. 0 3. Change your position. 3 0 is 0. Nothing to move, but do not forget to move your finger. 3 3s are 9. 0 9. Change your finger. We came here, we finished, and our answer is 309. So how do you like this video? Please comment to me, and if possible, please do these exercises by yourself. And if you have any comments, please comment to me. And if you have any suggestion, any advice, please comment to me. And if you like the video, please like, share, subscribe, and please watch my addition and subtraction techniques also. Without that, you cannot do multiplication. And sorry for the sounds, my birds are going crazy inside the cage, and she wants to get out from that, and just leave that sound. Keep learning. See you in next technique. Ta-da!